Are you tired of digging through layers of settings in Windows 11? What if I told you there's a way to access all your system settings with just a click? Stay tuned to discover how to unlock the power of GodMode on Windows 11. So, what exactly is GodMode, and why should you care? Essentially, it's a hidden control panel that grants access to all Windows settings and administrative tools in one convenient location. Say goodbye to endless digging through menus. To enable GodMode, it's surprisingly simple. First, create a new folder anywhere on your desktop. Then, rename the folder with a specific string of characters. Don't worry, we'll provide the code in the description below for easy access. Just copy the code found in the description and use it as the folder name. Once the folder is renamed, it magically transforms into the GodMode control panel. Just like that, you have instant access to a vast array of settings, from system tweaks to advanced administrative tools, all neatly organized and at your fingertips. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tutorial helpful. Subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.